This 2025 Entegra Coach Odyssey SE 22AF is a Class C RV. It is located in Huntley, Illinois, 60142 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Entegra Coach is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6 Slideout. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab, U-shaped dinette. This 2025 Entegra Coach Odyssey SE 22AF is built on a Ford E350 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.